All right, so I'm graphing this problem in WAMAP doing transformations. I'm given the graph of y equals f of x here and asked to plot y equals -1 f of x on the graph below. So this -1 is going to do my vertical reflection. So here's my x-axis. If my original graph is up here, it is going to reflect below the x-axis. So like that x-axis is the mirror point from up here, down there. And that means things like thumbs need to stay in the position of where the thumb is, and things like pinkies need to stay in the position of like where the pinky is. Or in the case of this graph, closed dots and open dots need to stay in their respective places. So I'm going to start here from this point, which was at 1, -2. So the y coordinate is going to change the sign. So my new point is going to be at 1, +2. And so I'm going to click there, and then the graph just follows me around. The next point on that original graph is at 2, -6. So I'm going to go to 2, +6, click. The third point over there on the original graph is at 6, -5. So I'm going to go to +6, +5. And then the last point on the original graph is at 8, -8. So I'm going to go to +8, +8. Okay, so I've got the basic shape. This is going to follow me around. So if I click off the graph, that'll stop following me around. I still need to get those points on there. So underneath the graph, I've got some different options for drawing styles. I got line, which is what I've been using by default. Also dot and open dot. So the dot, that's the closed dot, the solid dot. So I need to put that on to this first point, the one at 1, +2. And then I need an open dot at the other end at 8, 8. So I'm going to click on open dot, and then I will click that point into position. And now my graph is an exact match as a reflection from boop, boop. Submit. Yay.